Aloha all. This is a brief tutorial for how to create timestamps or chapters or a video timeline for your video. So enjoy. For the description of your video, put in 00:00, put intro to start it off, and then at least 10 seconds per chapter. And then at least 3 characters per chapter. Paste that into the description of your video. So just say every 10 seconds or longer, just whenever the subject changes. Put in the time interval for the next chapter, keep going all the way through to the end. Here is what they look like. Right near the comments on your video, you'll see this pop up with all the different chapters and an image for each one. You can click on chapters and you can see all of them in a vertical fashion. And then if you go and scroll across the timeline of your video, you can see where each chapter is and the name of each chapter as well, as you see on the screen. Thanks so much for tuning in. I hope this helps. Aloha.